So what exactly is data governance? In today's digital age, data has become a critical asset for organizations of all sizes. It can be used to make informed business decisions, improve operations, and even drive innovation. But as the volume of data being generated and collected continues to grow, it's important to have a set of practices in place to ensure that it's being managed and protected in a responsible and ethical manner. This is where data governance comes in. So, what exactly is data governance? At its core, it's the practice of establishing policies, procedures, and standards for collecting, storing, and accessing data, as well as ensuring that data is used in a responsible and ethical manner. It's about having clear roles and responsibilities for data management, as well as a framework for decision-making and oversight. This can include establishing a data governance board or committee, and implementing tools and technologies to support data management. Effective data governance can help organizations to maximize the value of their data assets while minimizing the risks associated with their use. It can also help organizations to comply with relevant laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the United States, which set out requirements for how organizations can collect, use, and protect personal data. But data governance isn't just about compliance and risk management. It's also about ethical use of data. This means considering the potential impact of data collection and use on individuals and society as a whole, and being transparent about how data is being used. This is particularly important as data can be used to make decisions that affect people's lives, such as credit approvals or hiring decisions. So, why is data governance so important? One reason is that if data is not properly managed, it can pose significant risks to an organization. This includes the risk of data breaches, which can lead to sensitive information falling into the wrong hands and causing reputational damage. Data governance can also help organizations to avoid regulatory violations, which can result in financial penalties and damage to an organization's reputation. Effective data governance can also help organizations to maintain customer trust and build stronger relationships with stakeholders. By demonstrating a commitment to responsible data management and ethical use of data, organizations can show that they are trustworthy and have the best interests of their customers and stakeholders at heart. In addition to these benefits, data governance can also help organizations to improve their operations and decision-making. By establishing clear policies and procedures for data management, organizations can ensure that they have access to accurate and reliable data, which can be used to inform business decisions and drive innovation. So, to sum up, data governance is a crucial practice that helps organizations manage and protect their data assets, while also ensuring ethical and responsible use of data. It involves establishing clear policies and procedures, having a framework for decision-making and oversight, and complying with relevant laws and regulations. By implementing effective data governance, organizations can ensure that they are maximizing the value of their data while minimizing the risks associated with its use. I hope this video has given you a more in-depth understanding of what data governance is and why it's important. If you like this video on data governance, please like and subscribe so we can continue making informative videos. Thank you for watching.